Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, pass-through rear seat, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.